In general, aloe vera plant is an easy to grow plant, only a few things are just required to be understood. In this video, we will discuss how we should care for aloe vera plant in winter days. Winter isn't its season, therefore mistakes can cause a heavy loss. So let's know how to do aloe vera plant care in winters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. The most important thing in aloe vera plant care is the correct watering technique. Aloe vera plant is a water-sensitive plant. A little increase of moisture in the soil can cause the rotting of leaves and a stunted growth. And in winter days, the temperature is low and moisture doesn't dry out much quickly as in summer days. And this thing causes a slow growth of aloe vera leaves. As the aloe vera plant have its own moisture in its leaves, and if you stops adding water in its soil mix, then such type of drying leaves will appear. You can water your aloe vera plant once in a week. But if the water stays long in the soil, definitely the roots goes under a stress condition. Therefore water only when the soil dries out a little. To overcome any mistake, you can wait for the water to dry out and then water. For a beginner, it is preferred to use a good soil mix. If your soil mix is good, then you don't have to worry so much about watering. It automatically drains out the extra moisture. On the other hand, a water-blocking soil mix will definitely cause a stressed condition on the aloe vera plant. And in result, the plant grow very slowly, leaves remain small and thin as well. So the best way is to choose a good soil mix. Aloe vera plant loves a very well-draining, loose and fertile soil mix. That you can buy that from the description box. Buying a succulent soil mix worth its value. And solves your whole problem as well. Otherwise take a part of sand, cocopeat in a half part of compost. Mix them well, and your soil mix is ready to use. Now you can put your aloe vera plant straight into it. The another thing in aloe vera plant care is the correct location. In winter days, the sun hardly comes out. But aloe vera plant loves a sunny spot, so this will cause a very slow growth. In winter days, you should place your aloe vera plant in a sunny spot, and protect it from the frost as well. A bright window, with minimum an hour of morning sun works just perfect. If you move it in an open area, all the leaves starts to freeze and no further growth will appear. Aloe vera plant grow very fast in a normal range of temperature, with a bright light. So must provide it a good spot in winter days, for quality results. The another thing that also matters very much in winter days is the temperature. If you are living in an area where the temperature falls up to 10 to 12 degrees, then aloe vera plant must be moved indoors. In open area the frost will make it dormant and it wouldn't grow well. If we talk about the propagation of aloe vera plant, then again winter season is not a good time for this. The best time for pups propagation is in springs and early summers. Therefore you should wait for some days, so you must get a healthy propagation of aloe vera plants. Another thing that also matters much in aloe vera winter care is the fertilization. Some people loves to fertilize any plant, and continue to add different fertilizers in aloe vera plant's soil. But this is not the ideal way. In general, aloe vera plant doesn't require so many fertilizers. And in winter days, you should not fertilize it so much. Dried banana peels powder every 20 to 25 days works great. Too much fertilization also causes a stress condition on the roots and aloe vera plant stops to grow. A detailed article on this topic is also added in the description box, must check out that. If we talk about problems of aloe vera plant in winter days, then they aren't so much. Aloe vera is a hardy plant and don't have many problems. Therefore, you don't have to worry about that. Only over watering can cause problems like root rotting, a stunted growth, leaves rotting, etc. For that, soil mix plays a big role and can be solved very easily by the use of a well-draining soil mix. There are some precautions of aloe vera plant to follow up in winter days. Let's know about them. Make sure you are not watering overly and not so less to cause stress. Avoid dividing aloe vera plant in winter days. Repotting, propagation, or any other root work must be avoided in winter days. Because the aloe vera is a summer season plant, so in winters it wouldn't grow much, because the season isn't ideal at this time. Adding too many fertilizers, due to slow growth of aloe vera plant will definitely kill it, so be careful. So it's all, hope you get the idea of growing aloe vera plant in winter days. For any question leave a comment below. And for other aloe vera growing hacks must check out this whole playlist.